My name is Jim Buchanan. I own a company by the name of Windows Specialist LLC here in West Michigan, and I've been working with Andersen and had Windows Specialist since 2012. Our local rep met me for lunch one time, and we were looking at how we could position our company to have an edge on everyone else out there. And he brought up the Andersen Certified Contractor program. We've been a certified contractor at this point for approximately 14 months, and it has taken our business to new levels. We can bring value to the homeowner, and how we're able to do that is by showing them that we're using a company that has been around since 1903. And because of the entire array of products, we can meet their needs and meet their budget.
It really gives homeowners the trust and comfort that they're working with a professional that is aligned with a product like Andersen. Hi, I'm Doug Cromie, owner of Superior Remodeling. We've been in the window and door replacement business since 1999. Our business has seen the best growth in our replacement window and doors since becoming a certified contractor. Every year we've grown.
We've had a tremendous growth in our callbacks where customers have seen one or two other contractors, as many as 5, and they called us back and said, "We feel the most confident in doing business with you."
They know they have a trained installer that knows the products that they're offering. Andersen stands behind with the workmanship warranty if we are a certified contractor.
After meeting the different people at the Andersen Corporation during the Certified Contractor program, I truly feel that they have the customer's best interest in everything they do. The biggest benefit to our business is not only what the customers see, but it's how our employees have the confidence knowing that they can go into the home and that we have a partner in this business, which is Andersen.
As an Andersen certified contractor, they make it very easy for us if there's any questions that would come up in the field. There's a process there for us to resolve it so everything is done correctly.
There is no way in this industry that our doors would open up as quickly as possible other than using Andersen. Andersen will take internet leads and forward them to me in our area. Once that's happened, I can then contact them, and they're much more receptive to letting us come out to their home. Our business has gone up more than double this last year, and I believe that easily half of that is the Certified Contractor program.